Okay, we're talking about wavelengths of light. We're going to do 2 pages. We're going to do one with notes, and then one is going to be a chart showing the different wavelengths of light and the different colors that they go with. So you will need your notebook, a pen or pencil, and then color pencils. I prefer you not use markers since we're writing this in our journal, and that would just bleed onto another page. Okay, so a wavelength. This is going to be the distance between the crest of a wave and the trough of a wave. We'll talk about what those words mean in a minute. So a crest is going to be the top of the wavelength. And the trough is going to be the bottom. All that means that if you have a wave, this part is the crest, the topmost part of the wave is the crest, and the bottommost part is the trough. The wavelength is going to be either from one crest to the next, or one trough to the next. Every piece of light is on a spectrum. A spectrum is a band of colors that you can see in a rainbow. So on that color spectrum, we have 7 colors. Easiest way to remember those 7 colors is using the acronym Roy G. Biv. And that just gives you the first letter of each color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Now that you have the notes for what a wavelength is and what the color spectrum is, we're going to look at our actual wavelengths of light. You're going to need to copy down this chart on your page, and you're going to need to use your color pencils. Well, I could not find my color pencils, so I will be using crayons. Okay, let's take a look at this chart real quick. We are going to have white light, and then we're going to start with our shortest wavelength of light all the way to our longest wavelength. The different colors of light are different sizes in their wavelengths. Let's start with the shortest, which is violet. So I'm going to get my purple crayon, and I'm just going to write the word violet. And I'm going to draw a short wavelength. Try to keep it the same all the way across. Go on ahead and add violet to your white light. Our next wavelength of light is indigo. So that is going to be our lighter blue in this case. And this wavelength is going to be just a little bit longer than the first one. this is what the page should look like when you're done. Go back to your notes page and we can write our summary. For your summary, I want you to explain to me what white light is. I would use this chart to figure that out.